Hi, everybody. It is day 26 of Treasure Trovember. We are getting close to the end, but there's still some more prompts to go. So if you're just joining us, welcome. You can catch up easily. Go back and watch the first video. And if you'd like to register, you can download a free guide to Treasure Trovember with tips and tricks. If you've been here all 26 days so far, thank you. We're almost there. So the prompt for today is to use a household object. The only thing I'm going to say about that is just use something that you would not normally find in your art studio, whether it is a fork or a screwdriver, or something from the kitchen, something from the bathroom, something from the garage. Use a household object in any way that you'd like to. And we'll see you back here tomorrow. Thank you.